when we are dealing with wash and basin, there are two systems that discharges wastewater from the ocean basin. The first one is called the flexible waste. This one, it is this one. For it is flexible, it can go in any direction which you want. Sometimes by accidentally you can make it when the pipe is a bit lower. When the other system it can't work there, but this one it can work. You can use this one. So this is the way how we fix it. You first get this grating. This is called the rubber washer. It is system. It is to it doesn't allow leakage. It is one of the I can call it the compounds that we use to seal water or to prevent the leakages. So you get this one is the grating. You put it here. This one, this waste, you bring it, you put it down here, like this. I don't know. This is its installation. You make it to be airtight, watertight, so that it doesn't allow water to leak. That's okay. You bring this one. This one also it has got a rubber washer to prevent water leakage. You put it there inside. You come and put it down here. This is a back nut. So you put it here. It is okay now. This one can go in any direction and it is flexible. You can adjust it to any size you want. Then from there you put it in the waste pipe. It is now okay.